Okay, so I'll run some searches here. As you can see, I'm using Westlaw. I'm doing the first one, operate vehicle intoxicated. That will find the exact phrase. And we got a total of all results 0. Okay, so I will make a note there. We got 0. Okay, and now I would do operate within the same sentence as vehicle and intoxicated and so forth. So now I'll plop that in. And that gets us 672. Okay, now we'll do within the same paragraph. So now that will give us even more because it will be all of the ones from the same sentence plus even more. So that gives us 1141. Okay, so we'll put here 1141. Okay, and then finally, this will be the broadest because it's these words anywhere in the document, not just within the same paragraph, not within the same sentence, but anywhere in the document. Okay, and this gets us to 12,670. Okay, so I just put the numbers into this graphic here just so you can see how when you use the quotation marks, that's the narrowest. So I like to start somewhere in the middle with my searches. I'll do a /S or /P kind of search, and that's usually kind of right in the sweet spot. If you don't find anything there, you can broaden out by using the ampersand and the root expander. Or if you're getting too much, you can narrow down to operate, you can narrow down to quotation marks. By the way, just incidentally, I did this same thing for Florida recently, and the numbers were nearly identical. I mean, for most of these numbers, it was within like 30 or 40. So it's just kind of an interesting coincidence. So anyway, get a feel for the breadth of your searches, and that will help you filter out more information fog. Okay, see you in the workbook.